I've done faux locks a million times, but I only use yarn. Usually I will not use Marley hair or no type of hair, and that's just because yarn is like less expensive and you get a lot, you know what I mean? So this time I was like, okay, let me try something different. You know, everybody use Marley hair for their faux locks, so I was like, let me try, let me see what's up. So this is the Marley hair that I was using. Hopefully y'all can see that. I got it in 2 colors. I'm using 27 and 613. So I got 5 packs, and I'm like, okay, maybe 5 packs would be enough, you know, whatever. But girl, it was not enough. This is my last pack. A lot of hair do not come in these packs. I don't see how y'all use Marley hair. So anyways, I went and got, well, I told my husband to go pick up some braided hair. I'm using braided hair and I'm using Marley hair. And honestly, y'all, I can't even tell the difference. Like, I already started using some of the braided hair up top, and I can't tell the difference. Like, it looks the same texture. I don't know. So now I'm going to show y'all how I'm doing my hair. I'm going to go ahead and finish using this last pack of Marley hair just because it's here and I don't have no other use for it. So I might as well just go ahead and finish it. So I'm at the top now. Well, actually, yeah, I got a couple, girl. I left a couple out because I was doing, you know, the little streak, the little highlight look. So I left a couple out for the 613. And I'm just gonna rip off a bundle like this. Like, look at this bundle, y'all. So what? I can't believe, I don't know how y'all do this Marley hair stuff, child. When you use yarn, you don't even run out. Usually I use 2 pieces that's about this size and just separate it, and then I start wrapping just like that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take this braid so y'all can see what I'm doing. And I had to do it a little differently too than how I do it with yarn, because it don't tighten at the root as fast as it does with yarn. So I have to wrap it around a lot of times at the root just to get it to stay. One of my dreads actually slipped out because I guess I didn't wrap it tight enough at the root. But I just wrapped it around my root about like probably 5 times, and now I'm just wrapping down. I'm just making sure that the hair stays flat while I'm wrapping it around my hair, so my hair doesn't, you know, show through the hair. When I get to the ends, y'all gonna see how I secure it. I don't use no glue and I don't burn it or nothing. Y'all do not understand. I hate running out of hair. It's just like, dang, like now I gotta stop doing my hair and go get some more hair. I didn't use any extra hair to extend my natural, you know, braid or whatever, so I have to use the actual hair to extend my braid. So I just twist it like almost halfway down my natural hair. Well, not halfway down, but I just twist it that much and then just let it loose. And I want to grab another piece and then just keep wrapping. For this hair to be so kinky, it's not messy at all. Like, it's so easy to pull apart. And just continue wrapping it. This is my favorite protective hairstyle, but every time I do it, I'll be like, why am I doing this? Like, I'm ready to be done. If you're not used to doing your hair, you gotta pay attention, because you don't want to like do a twist on mistake. You want to make sure you're wrapping it and not twisting it. If you're watching a movie or something or talking on the phone, you can easily mess up your hair, child. So I gotta grab like one more piece to continue this. These pieces of hair is so short, I gotta keep grabbing pieces. But when I use the braiding hair, I only need like 2 pieces for the braiding hair, because the braiding hair is already like, you know, real long. I need some music. Okay, let me stop it. I don't know what the. But y'all, I'm at the end of this dress, so I'm gonna show y'all how I like seal it so it don't come loose. This is how long I want it, and I'm done wrapping it. So I'm gonna take the rest of this hair and kind of twist it like that, and then I'm gonna just wrap it like this. I should kind of cut a little bit, but it's cool. I'm gonna just wrap it real tight. Basically, I'm just wrapping it back up the opposite direction, and I'm pulling it real tight. So after I'm done wrapping it and there's like nothing left to wrap, I just go like this. I don't know what this do, but it do something, okay? And it makes the dreads just stay together. That's how the end of my dreads look, and they don't come loose. I'm gonna do one more. Oh my gosh, it's like I got so many to do. So I'm just gonna wrap it around my hair like 5 times. So you don't want your dreads to start slipping from your roots. So just wrap it around. You don't have to wrap it around real tight to where that, you know, you getting bumps in your scalp. But just wrap it around tight enough. You feel what I'm saying? Once you feel like it's secure enough, you can just start wrapping downward. You go left foot up, right foot slide. I'm gonna look up that dance and I'm gonna try to learn it because Drake made it, so I gotta learn how to do it. So I'm gonna let that drop and grab another piece. Get your ass up, grip it like he be like, yikes. They busy running their mouth. I'm a real ass bitch from the south. Okay, y'all, so I'm at the end. Hold on. Okay, so I'm at the end of my next one. And I'm gonna do this. Oh, shit. I'm gonna do the same thing. Wrap it tight. Back up the dread. I run it up. They busy running their mouth. I'm a village, a bitch from the south. Palm roll it. I think it really do something like, cause you know when you go like this, it kind of heat up too in your hands. So I don't know. So I'm back, y'all, and I finished my hair finally. I think it came out cute. I'm really feeling myself. I mean, I love blonde hair anyway, so I knew it was gonna be cute. But it definitely came out way cuter than I thought it would. And I know I was talking a whole bunch of crap about this Marley hair, but to be honest, this Marley hair is like holding up better than the braided hair. Like the braided hair, some of them are like kind of unraveling, but whatever. You can use, because like I told y'all, I didn't use anything to, you know, for the ends of my dreads. I definitely recommend using nail glue. Don't burn the ends, especially if you have blonde hair. Now if you got black hair, then you probably could get away with it. But if you got blonde hair or any other color, I wouldn't burn the ends because it's going to turn the ends black. And that's not cute. So this is the finished look, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something. And hopefully you can do your own hair now, okay? And you can save money. Thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.